They're young, they're loud and they're proud. You'd be forgiven for thinking this is a music festival. But it's an anti-abortion demonstration on a massive scale. They call it the March for Life. Every year, people travel to Washington from across the country to protest against a legal decision handed down 40 years ago.
Women to control her own body.
On the 22nd of January 1973, in a case known as Roe v. Wade, the US Supreme Court voted to legalise abortion. The decision split the country almost in two and still inspires strong feelings on both sides.
Do you not think that a woman has a private personal right to decide what to do with her baby?
With her baby? To kill it? No, she doesn't have the right to.
Why not?
Because it's a life.
There are a lot of young faces in the crowd, some surely too young to understand. But the busloads of students from schools and churches come to the nation's capital with a unified message.
50 million people is like an entire nation. If that nation was obliterated, that would be like a crime against humanity, and I think that this is the same thing.
A new poll by the American television network NBC and the Wall Street Journal shows 70% of Americans do not want to see the Roe v. Wade Supreme Court decision overturned. That's the highest level of support since polling on the issue began in 1989. And those in the pro-choice movement say they're encouraged by the significant change in attitude.
Activists like Terry O'Neill say the narrow focus on abortion makes it harder for women to get the health care they need.
Every attempt in the name of stopping abortion to restrict women's access to health care has cut off their access to birth control and STD screenings and mammograms and even prenatal care and postpartum care.
Roe v. Wade may still be the law of the land, but a growing number of states are making it more difficult for women to have an abortion, ensuring the legal and emotional battle over the issue is far from over. Cath, Al Jazeera, Washington.